Place the clear cylinder smooth and up on a flat surface. Insert the loading cone into the end of the tube. Select the largest tension ring. Generously lubricate the loading cone and use both hands to slide the ring down the cone until it lands on the tube. Remove the cone. Insert the adapter bushing into the end of the tube. Place the pump head on the other end of the tube. Lubricate your penis and the pubic area. Insert your penis into the open end of the cylinder. Make sure to press the cylinder firmly against the body to ensure a good seal. Finally, grab the pump handle and pull it back and forth to create the suction. Once a firm erection is created, slide the ring off the cylinder onto the base of the penis. Push the red release button to release the vacuum. When finished, remove the tension ring.